Time is relative. Have you ever heard of this phrase? And if you did, how well did you understand it? And were you able to very well grasp its concepts? As divine energies is said to bring you answers to basic life concepts, we are here once again to deduce this terminology and make it very easy to comprehend. This theory was first propounded by the famous scientist Albert Einstein and is called the special theory of relativity, denoting that time is relative to the observer, and one will calculate the rate of time at his own preference and understanding. We are going to analyze 4 things to broaden your scope on this theory. But before we do so, don't mistake time for a clock, since the clock is only a device for measuring time relative to only humans. Other being forms and entities don't need clocks. We will soon discuss this in our later posts. Now, let's get back to time. Firstly, imagine you staring at a moving airplane at a speed of 800 kilometers per hour. To you, the observer, the plane is in motion and moving really fast. Now, to the passenger in that moving plane, they could easily observe that everything in the aircraft is motionless, though they are still moving at a very high speed. Between the passenger and the observer, time here will be different for both parties. Why? Let's say the observer traveling by foot and the passenger traveling by air are said to achieve a common goal by moving from point A to B and back. The passenger will surely achieve a lot in a few set time than the trekker, who will walk many miles in a very long time to achieve same common goal. Point number 2. In the BCs, when people had to travel for miles to deliver a common message or letter, the time and distance covered was very normal to the people in those days. But in this century, we might find such a practice very abnormal because we now can't deliver and receive messages just at the snap of our fingers. Future generations might also find this century's mode of message delivery bizarre, since they might discover something faster than ours. The lifespan of most insects are very short in the eyes of humans, but in their world, they might be perceiving 100 years lifetime. Lastly, the most common analysis to everyone happens in our dreams. See, we could take a nap for only an hour, but dream of engaging in so many activities in different timelines, all in that 1 hour sleep. I hope you now understand the basis of time relation. More clearer explanations will be tackled in our later videos. Peace and light be unto you.